What's going on YouTube? Maricus is back here bringing you guys a Prius POV video. This is gonna be during the nighttime, but I just got out of my gym and I'm heading back to my area. I actually have to cross state lines to go to my gym because I like to play basketball and stuff, and they have it open in VA but not in Maryland. Really weird. Hopefully we'll get through this and you know, we can enjoy ball's life. That's all I have to say. Now, the scenery isn't too crazy right now, but just give it like 2 minutes and I will be in the city of Tyson's Corner. Looks very beautiful, very metropolis looking, like a mini New York City, kinda. You'll see what I'm talking about very soon. But anyways, guys, thank you for all the support. I'm so grateful. It's been an awesome experience so far, you know, posting on YouTube and getting more and more subscribers literally every day. This past 28 days, I think I've gained over 40 subscribers. So shout out to everyone that is joining the team. I actually am editing some other footage for you guys. It's gonna be a sob. If you guys are familiar with sobs, it's gonna be a really good video. It was hilarious. I had my friend with me and I was the passenger. And we were just talking about his car, and it was a really good video. So I'm gonna post that very soon. If you guys could just like this video, subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. I post car content usually, and I'm gonna expand into some video games and some other stuff that I enjoy. But as you can see in the horizon, if you can see those little skyscrapers, I know I can see it. We are approaching downtown Tyson's. Then I'll be able to hop on the highway and I'll be on my way home. I actually picked up some rims while I was out down in VA. They're black rims for my BMW. I can't really show you right now. I'm trying to show you guys, but it's dark and I have to focus on driving. But I'm really excited because the guy gave it to me for free. So shout out to that guy. I only got it for free because I found it on Facebook Marketplace. Great place to find stuff. But guys, look at that. Wow. After this light, you get out of the construction area. But it's been a beautiful night, 55 degrees. We are out here. We are out here, guys. We are out here. I have my radar in the Prius too, but VA, it's illegal to have radar detectors, so I try not to use it. Look at that Merc SUV. Big body bends. But guys, comment down below what you guys want to see next on my YouTube channel. It really helps me give an idea. You know, I really enjoy making these GoPro videos. I'm going to continue making these GoPro videos because I get to, like, you know, talk and you get to, like, look at the same time. I think it's a really good type of video. I don't see many of these types of videos. So please support my channel, guys, by giving this a like and, you know, maybe sharing it to a friend or something if you think they'd enjoy it. But as you can see, we're getting 99.9 miles per gallon. It's running on the battery right now. I'm gonna get over. But as you can see, it's very metropolis looking. There's a couple of dealerships that I like too. They have the Porsche. Yep, Porsche dealership right there, guys. Beautiful. Dang. Oh, that guy's... Oh, he's gassing it. But yeah, guys, there's the Porsche dealership. That thing looks beautiful. And the Mercedes dealership right next to each other. I don't know where the BMW dealership is. I know there is one around this area. But like I said, guys, I love you all. Thank you guys for just supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. And, you know, I'm gonna continue to, you know, make this content for y'all. Oh man, I smell some food. That sounds so good. wow, guys, this is a great scenery. We'll be getting on the highway very soon though, so I'll be able to showcase, you know, maybe getting on there. But this is the traffic down here. I mean, the traffic's pretty chill. I like how they have the lane set up compared to my area. My area is just like 2 lanes, but out here it's like 5 lanes. It's like a highway. But there's a Kava. If you guys have not tried Kava, I highly recommend trying Kava. It's pretty good. It's like Chipotle, but I think it's better. It's a little bit more pricier, but you get what you pay for. But anyways, it's been such a wonderful experience, like I said before. So happy to continue to make these videos, make you guys happy. You guys make me so happy with these likes and comments, and it just really means the world to me, honestly. And just shout out to everyone, you know, supporting me. I'm gonna have to get over, cut the sky off. Oh, look at this guy. Oh man, Wendy's sound good right now. I think I'm gonna get some Wendy's later. Well, what's you doing, brother? Okay. Good. It's 495. That's the highway I take to get home, and it's a jungle, to say the least. Look at the handling right now on the Prius. Going in this corner pretty good. Oh, I gotta watch out. I gotta watch out. Yeah, there's no merge area. Whenever I see a car, you know to slow down right there. But coming up at this light, this is like probably the biggest mall in my area. It's Tyson's Corner. Beautiful mall. Trying to give you guys a view. Wow, AMG GT up there. Wow, that looks mean. If you guys see up front right there, that's the AMG GT. That is a beautiful car. Guys, if you see the tire pressure monitor, I just don't have it on my car, unfortunately. I wish I could get it off. My tires are good though, so disregard that little warning sign right there. Wow, that is a beautiful car. I bet that gets a lot of attention, just driving that. And there's a Porsche right there. Red Porsche SUV. But if I went down that way, where this guy's turning is where the mall is that I was talking about. I don't know what this guy's doing. But anyways, guys, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you've not. I love you all. I'm gonna catch you guys soon. I'm gonna post some more. Do not worry. I love you guys. Take care. Until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Merc is out. Peace.